this is a really weird place, but check out our view. It's incredible. I'll just turn around. Ah, look at that. Isn't that great? I mean, what would you pay for this on a campsite? It's beautiful. So sitting here in Thessaloniki at a caravan motorhome dealership, and we've just had I'm not sure what it is, it's to do with the charging unit on the motorhome, because we're only getting charge off solar, we're not getting any charge while we're driving. So they thought initially here that it was just a fuse, but the guy has had a look and he's basically said, nah, it's broken. It needs to go off to an electrician. They need to take it out, send it to an electrician, and for them to look at it. But obviously that leaves us in a bit of a problem, because we have no charging unit, So Paul's talking to them now about fitting a B2B. Whether that'll work or not, but we've had nothing but problems, to be honest, with this van and charging and batteries and all that kind of thing. It has just literally been one thing after another. Obviously something got broken, because originally it did work fine, and it was charging off the battery and it was charging off the motor. We're going to be stopping here overnight, which they provide a really good service, to be honest. It's got a little air thing round the back. It's all the services, toilet, water, and electricity for free. So you cannot complain about that.
Battery to battery.
Yeah, it's faulty relay, isn't it?
Something inside there. What exactly?
Because at the moment, with that relay like that...
Ήταν να γνωρίσουν εσύ εδώ το B+. Εσύ την μπαταρία της ασφάλειας κοίταξε εδώ κάτω στο κέντρο που είναι. Ναι, της είδα και εκείνος και εδώ για φάνησε εκεί.
So, morning everybody. We are still at the camper stop last night at the Caravan Centre, and Paul's just fixing on the back box. He's done another fix, hopefully the last one on it, and we've had the electrics sorted, a kind of temporary measure, but we'll see how it goes. Seems to be the right thing to do. And we had the van hit by the neighbour this morning, so it's been a very eventful stop here. Right, so sitting this morning, minding our own business, having a coffee. This next door pulls out and has damaged the front of our van. And as we're shouting stop, 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 he did it even more, and then he started going backwards. So I don't know what sort of damage. I've just pulled the van. It looks like it's okay. I mean, the guy's being all right about it. He's not being funny or anything.
No, it's okay, I can see. I think you've damaged yours more than mine, haven't you? Yes, I know. Okay. UK. Sorry, okay.
Okay, well, it looks like it's sorted, but we did. Oh my God, we just go from one disaster to another. How is it?
It's all right.
Yeah?
Nothing,
It sounded bad.
It's nothing. No, it's more damage to his. It's nothing that I can't polish out.
Right. We'll say hello to Mr. Redsco.
Morning all. The key. Nearly done.
Yeah. So,
Well, didn't it?
Sikaflexed it on. We know what the problem is with it. Not a lot we can do. If this doesn't work, it's coming off, isn't it? And we'll just do without the back box.
Yes, we're going to see my friendly man at the garage.
Oh, are you?
Nut.
You want a nut?
Yeah. Not a peanut, a nut.
Okay. Well, I'm going to the bins,
Oh, enjoy yourself.
and I'm going to show everyone what you get for nothing here. So obviously the first thing you get for free is electric hookup.
That was good.
Yeah, very close. This gap here last night obviously had a van in it, so you are parked very close to each other, but that's very European. That's not an issue. All right, see you after. Now, there is a massive overlander here. You've got to see this. This is incredible. Look at this. Oh my God. I have never seen anything quite like this before. You got this whole area. There's plenty of places with water. Over here, there's a shower and a toilet. Personally, I haven't used them because they're the kind of ones with the hole in the floor type thing. So you've got your water, your drinking water. Camera is not showing. That's your black drop there. So we had quite a lot of rain in the night last night, and we are going to head down to Halkidiki. We're at the we're on Halkidiki at the moment. We're in the middle of the Three Fingers, right at the bottom. This is a really weird place. It's a town that they built. They put all the infrastructure in and never built any of the houses. So basically, what you've got is just a network of roads and just roads. Just roads leading to places, roads leading to no places, but virtually no houses. I think we've seen about 2 houses. They're just half built. And we can just go for walks. There's nobody here. It's beautiful. Famous last words, we shouldn't get stuck because it's all roadways. But yeah, oh my God. So we've got 3 places contending for best park up now, 2 of them in Greece and 1 in Bulgaria. Just absolutely beautiful. This budget trip has been a revelation to us because we used to just go, oh well, we'll find a campsite, it's nice and easy, we've got water, we've got various different things. Now we've had to really look, and once you start looking, you can't believe what's out there. Here he comes.
Hey?
I'm just showing them, look what's behind us.
I know, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
So a bit more of this off for a walk to the beach. Yeah, and we're all sorted. The solar is fixed. We'll give you an update on that later.
Yeah.
We've been suffering with lack of power into the leisure batteries, both from the alternator and seemingly from the solar panels.
Yeah.
And it was all down to a stuck relay.
Yep.
So the relay's sorted. We're now on 100% and it's just really banging it into the batteries.
Yep.
And good to go. The only thing we're going to struggle with is water. But if we're sparing with that and we carry 2 canisters,
should be all right, shouldn't we?
Should be here for quite a few days.
Oh, I hope so. I hope so. I want to stay here. And if we don't, we can go and find some water and then come back. Thank you. Massive thank you to the camper repair place we went to in Thessaloniki in Greece.
Oh yeah,
they were
great.
Brilliant. So good.
2 hours to fix it. Relay, switches, cables and so forth. And it was €80.
Brilliant.
Can't fault that at all.
No, you cannot fault that.
And he's seen us same day within an hour of turning up.
Yeah.
You don't get that back in the UK.
No, you don't. All right.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Flag sticker time.
Ooh.
So this should be an easy one. Everybody knows what grease is. And there it is.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to mess with your OCD like somebody else does when they do flags.
What?
I'm going to put mine in the right place.
Oh look, oh, you're not going to even it up, are you?
Yep. Because I don't like messing with people's OCD. It's mean. And there we are.
Look at that.
That is the best placement of a flag yet. Just check it, that's the right way up. There's a flag around somewhere. Of course it's the right way up. There we are.
How many have we got then?
Flag. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 16, 18, 20.
20.
20 flags.
Blimey.
20 flags. And a sticker.
Yeah.
That's it now, dickhead.
That's it, is it?
Yeah.
Our beautiful park up had a fantastic outlook onto the peninsula of Mount Athos. Now the interesting thing about Mount Athos is that women and female animals are banned. You can't go there, you are actually restricted to within 500 metres of the coastline. The only female animals allowed or overlooked on the island are the female cat population. Even milk and eggs has to be imported because of the lack of female animals on the isle.